Hello, and welcome to the Danfoss Product Store. This video will showcase the functionality of your homepage and demonstrate what you can do within the store to optimize your buying experience. Once you log into the product store, you will be directed to the screen you see here. This is your home screen and will act as the hub for all orders or quotes you place with Danfoss. To begin, let's take a look at your most recent orders placed with Danfoss. To do so, simply click on any of the Danfoss sales order numbers you see under the section titled Your Latest Orders. To see a full history of the orders you have placed with Danfoss, click on the button labeled All Orders. You will be directed to a full database of orders and can even select specific search criteria such as PO numbers, material codes, and even invoice numbers to locate historical orders with Danfoss. Or simply scroll down and search for your order at the bottom of the page. Now that we've covered how to view orders, let's dive into how to view quotes. Simply scroll down and you will see the section titled Your Quotes. This section contains quotes completed by your dedicated Danfoss sales manager, inside sales engineer, and also the quotes you create yourself. Similar to the order section, you will see the most recent quotes on the home page, but you can also view your entire quote history with Danfoss by clicking on the button labeled All Quotes. Lastly, let's check out the quick ordering sections on your product store home screen. On the top pane titled Quick Order, all you need to do is populate a dedicated Danfoss 8-digit part number and quantity. Then click on the button Add to Cart for a quick ordering process. On the bottom pane titled Order AC Drive, identify a recognized Danfoss type code that corresponds with one of our products. Then add the type code and click on the button Add to Cart for seamless order entry. This covers our intro on the Danfoss Product Store homepage. Stay tuned for more videos on how to use Product Store to optimize your ordering and quoting experience.